In today's video, I'll teach you how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Android phone. So for that, first of all, open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Tap on this option connected devices that you can see on the screen. Make sure your Bluetooth speaker is turned on. Now what you have to do is tap on this option pair new device that you can see on the screen. Now after that your Bluetooth will be turned on. What you have to do is simply wait for a while and you'll be able to see all the available devices over here. If your Bluetooth speaker is turned on, you'll be able to see it over here. Right now I do not have the speaker, but the process is similar for all the Bluetooth devices. So simply tap on the Bluetooth speaker that you would like to connect to. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your device will be connected to that particular Bluetooth speaker. So that is how you connect Bluetooth speaker to Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.